Is Windows failing to load because of the Mdmregistration.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before diving into the MDM registration technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the MDM registration, the Mobile Device Management (MDM) registration library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of device enrollment into enterprise management systems. It facilitates the data link between the workstation and corporate management manifests. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like MDM registration. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing MDM registration message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for MDM registration DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing MDM registration references. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including MDM registration dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.